You will see most subjects display a red exclamation point on the right side of the screen. This indicates that you are required to select a course in this subject area. Each content area will also display how many credits you are required to select. As an example, we will show you the selection of a math course. Click on the pencil next to the exclamation point. This will open the subject area and display the class options. In academic content areas, you must select the course in bold print. This is the course your teacher has recommended. Please note that there are multiple pages in each subject. You may need to scroll through the pages to find the course you have been recommended for. This can be done by clicking on the page numbers or the previous and next screen at the bottom. Check the box next to the course you have been recommended for or that you would like. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on OK. This will lock in your choice and a green check mark will replace the exclamation point. If you do not select a course in a required area, you will not be able to save and submit your course requests. If you do not agree with the course recommended, you still must select it, but you can discuss this with your counselor when you meet to review your courses. Move through each subject area and repeat the process. Depending on what grade you are in, you may notice World Language has a green check. While you may have already taken a year of a language, it is strongly recommended that you take 3 years of the same language in high school, since colleges require this for admission. In the elective box, please select multiple electives. This is organized alphabetically, and you will need to move through the pages to find the courses. When you open the elective window, you will see the course name, credit, and required prerequisites needed to take the class. The last box is alternates. Do not select the same classes that you selected for electives. Alternates are second choices, classes you would be content with if you are not to get your first choice electives in the previous screen. Lastly, check that you have green check marks in each category and that you have selected the required total number of credits indicated on the bottom of the screen. If you have done so, click Submit. A confirmation page will appear listing the courses you have requested. That will complete your course selection process. If you have any questions, reach out to your counselor. These class selections will be reviewed in an individual meeting with your school counselor. Thank you.